Erstwhile Congressman Ashley Asedillo says how Scandinavia and Arctic countries resolve their Svalbard Island dispute can be of help in settling their overlapping claims and territorial rows in the South China Sea. Meanwhile, former DILG Secretary Rafael Alunan supports tapping former President Fidel V. Ramos in initiating bilateral talks with China on the West Philippine Sea route. Ria Fernandez has more details.
Former Solon Ashley Asedillo is suggesting to the government to get Norway to come in between in the negotiation with China and other countries interested in Scarborough or Panatag Shoal, which the International Court affirmed as a common fishing ground. This is because of the relevant experience of the said country. This refers to the dispute among 40 nations over the Svalbard in the Arctic Ocean, which after some time, they peacefully agreed to give the island's administration to Norway, but military activities are prohibited and its surrounding waters shall be open to other countries for fishing.
We can apply that dito sa problema natin sa Scarborough. Bakit? Lahat tayo gusto makinabang dyan. Lahat tayo gustong mangisda. But at the same time, sino ang mamamahala niyan? Of course, the country that comes to mind is the Philippines because tayo pinakamalapit.
Asedillo also sees it a better option for the Philippines to accept the offer of France to help in resolving the territorial dispute in the West Philippine Sea. Last week, the Permanent Court of Arbitration released its favorable ruling on the case filed by the government against China. However, Beijing refused to recognize this. But despite that, the Philippines continues its diplomatic efforts aimed at encouraging China to adhere to the ruling. One is the plan to send former President Fidel Ramos to China as special envoy to lead the talks. For former DILG Secretary Rafael Alunan III, the former chief executive, whom other countries highly respect, is an excellent choice for the job.
He is in the best position to be able to temper the situation.
Ria Fernandez, PTV News.
Hi! Ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.